the issue of vaccines, I think Sirinjoy's question was the issue of the UK's approach on vaccines. Now, the basic issue is that here is a vaccine, Covishield, which is a licensed product of a UK company, manufactured in India, of which we have supplied 5 million doses to the UK at the request of the government of the UK. We understand that this has been used in the national health system, and therefore non-recognition of Covishield is a discriminatory policy and does impact on those of our citizens traveling to the UK. The Honourable External Affairs Minister, from what I understand, has raised this issue strongly with his counterpart, the new Foreign Secretary of the United Kingdom. And I'm told that certain assurances have been given that this issue would be resolved. And as you saw, the Minister has said that these issues should be resolved at the earliest possible to mutual satisfaction. We have also offered some of our partner countries the option of a mutual recognition of vaccination certificates, or vaccine certification. But these are reciprocal measures. I think if obviously, as we go along, we will have to see how it goes. But if we don't get satisfaction, we would be within our rights to impose reciprocal measures. Sorry, I think there is one on the US policy as well. Look, the US policy has been gradually liberalized, as you can see. We have been, we were under a certain category, we've been upgraded. The US also took steps, as I mentioned in my opening remarks, to ensure that visas for students, Indian students who had to travel to the US to join universities, colleges, institutions, were provided, were speeded up. I think that process is now over. They're now moving, from what I understand, to the professional category, where a number of professionals would be given visas, Indian professionals, to travel to the US. We've also seen, as you mentioned in the report, that fully vaccinated travelers would be allowed to freely travel to the US. This, I think, is a positive news, because if you look at our rate of vaccination, we have administered over 800 million doses. The Health Minister yesterday made clear that we would be well within our target to vaccinate our entire eligible population within a short period of time, at the rate of our vaccination process is going. And I think from that perspective, we should be able to ensure that a good number of our people traveling will be in a position to avail of this US opening. Now, you also have to keep in mind that the government has taken steps to facilitate vaccination of those of our citizens who are traveling abroad. Students, professionals, anyone going on official work, your vaccination will be expedited, and the period between two doses will be shortened. So that will also help our people in availing of systems. And I think increasingly in the international regime, you will find that there would be a requirement of people to be vaccinated before traveling. And this is already being seen. Even in our own country, if you have to enter malls, you have to show vaccination certificates. And I think this is something that, as the rate of vaccination increases, will certainly be an increasing trend.